Welcome to the ImagINN. This is Trey. Trey is smart, confident, and quick with an answer. He loves music, rhythm, and the way patterns fit together. Most of the time, Trey knows exactly what he wants to say, but sometimes the way his words come out doesn't sound the way he means them to. And today, one classroom misunderstanding is about to lead Trey on an unexpected adventure.
Yeah!
Trey, remember to show how you got your answer in 2 ways.
I did show my work right here.
Excuse me, you watch your tone of voice, young man.
What do you even mean? That's just how I talk.
Trey, that's enough. Gather your things and sit at the back table.
Oh my God, what did I even do?
Now!
Jeez, I was just trying to tell her I did it.
Sometimes the problem isn't the words we say. Sometimes it's the way they sound. You watch your tone of voice, young man.
What do you even mean? That's just how I talk.
Sometimes when something doesn't feel fair, the moment keeps replaying in our minds.
I was just trying to answer her.
Sometimes we try to block those moments out.
Oh no. How?
But our words and how they sound have a way of traveling, even after they're spoken.
My headphones are definitely broken.
Sometimes the things we say travel farther than we expect. And sometimes they can take us somewhere new.
Trey. Welcome to the ImagINN.
To the what?
Looks like someone had a little tone mix-up today.
Everyone keeps saying that.
I know someone who can help with that.
What was that?
No need to fear. Your help is here.
Yo, what up, Trey?
Wait a minute, who's in there?
DJ Buttons is our elevator operator. He will take it from here.
Come on in.
Whoa, this is so fire.
Yeah, pretty crazy, right?
Bro, where did you even come from?
My name is DJ Buttons. Check this out.
Wow, what is this place?
This place? It's the best hotel for big feelings you'll ever visit.
I don't have big feelings. People just keep saying I have a tone.
Okay, I gotcha. That's why I heard that beat from the lobby.
Huh?
Sounds like your voice just needs a little remix.
What in the world is that?
You're about to find out.
Holy guacamole, what does this thing do?
The tone turntable allows us to hear what people really hear.
Man, that thing is huge.
Go ahead, take a closer look.
It looks like a record, but those aren't music lines.
Good eye. Those are voice grooves.
Voice grooves?
Every voice makes a sound shape, and every shape tells a story. Let's listen to yours.
Ah, man.
Yo, Trey, relax. Nobody's in trouble here. We're just listening. All right then, let's spin it.
I did show my work right here. I did show my work right here. That is how I talk.
Maybe. It's time for a remix. But let's hear it in a different way.
The remix.
I did show my work right here.
The remix.
I did show my work right here.
The remix.
I said the same thing.
Exactly. Same words, different sound. And people don't just hear the words. They hear the shape of them too.
The remix did sound nicer.
All right, Trey, let's spin it again.
Hey, that's my class.
Yes, it is. Let's watch what your classroom heard.
I did show my work right here.
You watch your tone of voice, young man.
I wasn't even being rude.
I believe you, Trey. But tone isn't just what you mean. It's what people hear. Your teacher wasn't the only one who heard your tone. Let's see how other kids heard it.
I did show my work right here.
Bro is tweaking. No cap.
Wait a minute. They heard it like that too?
Yes, they did. Tone travels, Trey. Once it leaves your mouth, it fills the whole room.
I can't believe they all thought I had an attitude.
Attitude is what they heard, but it's not what you meant. We just had to help your voice match your heart. Remember when you asked me about a remix on the elevator? This is it, Trey. You don't change your words. You change how they sound.
I think I figured something out.
Did you? That's tone-tastic. What did you discover?
People don't just hear the words. They hear the way you say them.
There it is.
The remix.
Trey, it looks like you found your sound.
Not bad, Trey. Just remember, check your tone.
Don't worry. I got you.
Here's something to help you remember.
The remix.
Okay. This is different.
Yo, Trey, relax. You'll hear it when you need it.
Ready to head back?
Yep. I'm so ready.
The words didn't change, but something inside Trey did.
Trey, can you finish question 3?
The remix.
I did finish. I made a picture of it right here.
You sure did. Nice work.
I did 2 times 8. Good one, bro. I did 4 times 4.
Sometimes the words we say stay the same, but the way we say them can change everything. Words are important, but tone is the music behind them. It can make the same words sound kind or frustrated or calm. And once you learn to hear your tone, you can choose the music you send into the world.
Imagination can light the way. Stay you, stay true, and you'll be okay.